Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today I will be talking very quickly because I've started a new series called 2 Minute Tuesday, in which I have 2 minutes to give you a quick demonstration or a quick tip that will help you out and hopefully in your everyday DIY life. Now today we are covering screws and lubrication. It's a very quick video. I'll give you a demonstration. I will be using my cheap drill bit, so it might not even upheld, it might break, I don't know. My other tools are on site, so that's my excuse and I'm sticking with it. Now I've had to drill several bits of wood together, from scaffold board to rough sawn to decking board. It will help simulate different situations. If I had a solid piece of oak I would use that, because obviously oak's quite hard to drill into. Now with this I use silicone lubricant, which I know is confirmed to be okay to use on wood, metal and other surfaces, so I know it's perfectly fine. I'm happy with it. What I do with that silicone lubricant is I bang it into a big bottle like that, spray it over the screws in the box, and then I let them soak, and I know it's going to be perfectly fine to use later on. I have seen many variations of this used. I've seen beeswax, I've seen soap because it helps drive and grip the screw, I've seen grease, oil, candle wax. I've seen many different things used. I don't know how beneficial they will be or what the risks are with using them, so I won't recommend them. I will recommend the silicone lubricant which I use. So let's crack on and get into it, and I'll show you quickly the differences between the two. I'll add a little timer in there as well if I can. So here we go guys, this is the one without lubrication. This one is the one that's been soaked in oil, and we'll crack on and see how long it takes. So there we go guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to take something away from this. Please leave any comments below, give me a thumbs up or subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video guys.